Hey guys, it's me JustTrev16 and I'm here to do a unboxing video of RWBY or Ruby Rose from the anime RWBY, the anime RWBY or RWBY. Let's give it a little spin here to see what we got. There her silhouette is. See the top here. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice little moon silhouette. Here we are with the four main characters of RWBY. We have Ruby Rose, White Schnee, Blake Belladonna, and Yang Xiaolong. If you guys don't know what that is, check it out. It's a great anime. It's at roosterteeth.com. Alright, now let's go to the part that you guys want to see. Unboxing. Alright, let's get my trusty little knife out. There we go. Nice. Sorry if this takes a little bit too long, guys. There we go. It's beautiful looking. Beautiful. Oop, still got a little bit of tape there. There we go. There we go. Yeah. This is amazing. Sorry if you guys get a bad camera angle here. Trying to get the best angle to open it out of. Boosh. There she is in all of her glory. Yeah. Alright, let's try and get this out. So, here she is, guys, in all of her glory. Oh, no! I dropped Crescent Rose. Just quickly put that back on. That there. That there. Sorry about this horrible lighting. So sorry about that. Me so sorry. Alright, I will put a fixed one, like a picture of it. But thank you guys for watching. Click a like right there, subscribe, and if you like more content, just be ready for more. Alright, bye. Watch. And there she is. I finally got Crescent Rose on. Had to do a little bit of work on it, but overall it's good. Get a little close up on her face. Boom. That is awesome. So expect more RWBY action figures to come out in the future. I believe they're probably going to do it in order, and I will do some unboxing of those as well. Alright?